welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I will be reviewing this PrettyCare vacuum. When this first came in the mail, I did not think that this was the vacuum because it's so small. So I'm curious as to see how they packaged everything in and how it all works. All right, so first things first, the manual. Gonna need this for sure. And a 3-year warranty, awesome. All right, so this is what it's supposed to look like, basically. It's a cordless vacuum cleaner and it could be used long ways and or short ways. First thing we have here is the device that can help you get into like little corners or little crevices, basically. This is the suction guy. Next we have this filter looking thing. So it's the HEPA filter. Next, ooh, I love the color. I didn't realize it's gonna be red. This is my favorite color, if you guys didn't know. I'm super happy about that. Maybe I did know, but I just forgot. This is probably gonna be the part where you clip on and off the different parts, basically the handle as well as the suction guys. Next we have, ooh, one of these brush suctioners. This is what it looks like. Figure out what these things are soon enough. And some screws. That is the wall bracket. This is the power, the battery, the off and on, all goes here. This is the core of this vacuum. The main vacuum. Oh, he's red and blue. Okay. Oh, nice and oh, this blue one is so soft. And then this red one is like harder. Okay, so there's kind of like a duality there, like pick up the soft and then the harder bristles. And then this is the final piece, and this is the handle. So this is nice and a lot lighter, or lighter than at least that battery. You like hold it like this. Let's put this thing together. All you actually really need to do is connect these two parts to each other, and that's it. So if you want to do it long ways, short ways, whatever. And this little thing actually, this thing is called a crevice nozzle. So we're gonna do the crevice nozzle first. Is just attach these two. And then this clicks into place. And there you have it. Just plug him in, clipped him in. But let me just try to turn it on first. So I'm gonna click it. Ooh, air is coming out of here. Suction's coming out of here. And then you can change the strength. So let's go crazy. Okay, well, first and foremost, I love that it came pre-charged. Let's go ahead and try to open this. I think I have to take this thing off first, this tape, because there's like a lock, if you can see, like a lock off and on that won't go unless this is off. Let's take this off as well. And let's just click this button. Okay, there we go, yeah. So that releases all the dust. And then you can turn this thing from locked to unlocked. This thing turns, and that's how you can unlock that. And then that's how you can change out your filter. Oh, okay, so we have 2 of these, good. Yeah, but inside that's just what it looks like. None of this stuff comes out per se, so this is the only thing that comes out. So you can change this filter and then keep on using your stuff. So we're just gonna lock that in place. Once again, put this over and turn to lock. Once again, making sure that this is aligned from lock to open. We're going to clean my studio's ground really quick so you can see. Let's get this crevice nozzle in there again. So it works pretty good. Snap it into place. This one, snap that into place. Okay, so it kind of rotates like this. So it does go up and down as well. So it's like this, but then it's also this little rotating figure, kind of goes all the way around as well. And then of course you can make it longer too, because this is quite short right now. This little button right here extends it. Press and pull. So yeah, that's like a full length vacuum right there. This is a wall bracket. So basically you can put this on your wall, and then this is where you hook your vacuum to. This basically you can stick in there, so you can stick on the wall or a cabinet wherever you have it. And then it also comes with screws to make it stay in place. So here is where that circle goes. It just hooks into place, holds your vacuum. There's like a space for it, on the wall. So that's pretty cool. It could be like super close, you can charge it while it's like hanging up maybe, and then for it to be ready to go whenever you need to use it. So basically basically all you need to do is plug this into here and then charge it. So this can be literally hanging on the wall as you're charging it, and then you can take it off and it's ready to use. Super convenient. They've thought about the design of this is really good, and of course the color is even better. But yeah, design is really good as well. All right, so it works super well, obviously picking up everything. Probably should have used, a different kind of nozzle for that, but it's just for show. It works super great, has a 3-year warranty, super reasonably priced. If you wanna check out, more specs and details, and or if you wanna purchase it, check out the links below. Let me know in the comments what you think about this PrettyCare vacuum. For me personally, I like the color, and of course how it works, how easy it is, how light it is, how easy everything it is to assemble. And generally, highly recommend. If you liked what you see, make sure to subscribe, like, comment. As I said, I want to hear what your thoughts are about this vacuum. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next unboxing video. All right, bye.